Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing delicious chicken 65 recipe which is easy to prepare. The ingredients are 1 boneless chicken breast cubed and washed, half lime, 1 Kashmiri chili, 1 capsicum chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves chopped, few curry leaves, half inch of ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoon of curd, water, oil, salt, half tablespoon of soya sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, flour, corn flour. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 egg. To marinate the chicken, add salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder, juice of half lime, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1½ tablespoon of corn flour. Mix. Add few curry leaves. Mix and keep aside for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken and deep fry the chicken on medium flame. Heat oil in a pan, add half inch of ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic, 1 Kashmiri chili, few curry leaves, mix. Add half tablespoon of soya sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, mix. Add little corn flour and water slurry, mix. Once it is thickened, add the fried chicken pieces, mix. Add chopped capsicum, mix. Add chopped coriander leaves, mix. Switch off the flame. Delicious chicken 65 is ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.